Okay, one of my strategies in ShibaSwap is to allow my bones in liquidity just stay in there and just accumulate. And I'm going to add all my bones in the accumulating stage in the wolfing area from the calculator because one reason, the fees are high, and two, I just want to accumulate, and then when it's time to do it, I can wolf those out and move forward. And let's go ahead and add them up right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Oh my goodness. Even got my throat a little tingling a little bit. So I'm in the wolfing area right now. I'm going to add up all my bones up that I currently have in liquidity and with the wolfing pairing. So I'm going to add them up right now. So this is it. I've got 23 right here. And if I scroll down, I've got 117 plus, we've got 23 plus, we've got 74 plus, and I think we have one more here. 11 plus, we've got one more right here, then one. So that's 249. So it's 249 is the total of this. So in my opinion, I'm going to wolf this. I'm not going to wolf this out yet because if I wolf this out, the fees are going to be high. And I'll even show you. Okay, let's say I'm trying to wolf this out right now, and I'll show you what my strategy is all about. So if I go to my Coinbase wallet and I'm trying to wolf this out, I confirm on my phone. Look at this. Fees are $101. Which is insane because this is just 11 bones in liquidity right here, and bone is only worth $1.35 right now. So if you just go ahead and do your calculator, this is what I'm saying doesn't make sense to actually wolf this out because of the price. Remember, we have 249 in the liquidity in the wolfing area that's getting paired, and if I do 135 times what was that, 11, it's only worth $14.85 as of today of recording of this video, September 6th. Doesn't mean that that value won't go up by the end of the year. But if I wolf this out, it'll be over $100. That doesn't make any sense. So I'm just going to keep it in here. I'm just showing you exactly what my strategy is. And if I go to my 8board.finance, I can kind of see how much bone I'm actually rewarding. This is not completely accurately, but I'm going to keep track of it, you know, how much bone I'm actually getting in terms of on a weekly basis based off this, because I think the numbers are off on this. So I'm just going to go by what I see here and in my bone folio. So try it out, guys. I mean, if the fees are too high and you're digging for bone in your wolfing area in the actually liquidity stage, you may want to consider other alternatives, because I just try to do that and it's way too high. The same thing about these over here as well. And if I try to wolf any of these out, it will be high fees. So I'm gonna let all four of this stuff just to accumulate. Let this accumulate, and then when the fees are low, or when it's time to wolf it out, then it makes sense to do it on a later time. So just gonna keep track of it. I'm using 8board a little bit, 8board.finance to go back and forth. And then I'm also going to use Bonefolio to try to find the right accuracy, the right frame of mind to see about this, because I definitely want to whoop at least this one out, but the fees are a little bit too high. So that's the strategy I'm going to use. I wanted to show you exactly what I'm doing today. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification. Captain in you is here for you, and I'll see you on the next video.